Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable secure DNS in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is fully loaded, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. You'll see three vertical dots stacked on top of each other, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From this menu, locate and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's comprehensive settings page where you can customize nearly every aspect of your browsing experience. Once you're on the settings page, look at the left side of your screen where you'll find a vertical navigation menu. This sidebar contains different categories for organizing Chrome's various settings. Click on Privacy and Security from this list. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how Chrome handles your data, security features, and privacy controls, making it the perfect place to adjust DNS settings. After clicking Privacy and Security, you'll see several options appear in the main area of the settings page. Look for the option labeled Security and click on it. This takes you deeper into Chrome's security features, where you can control things like safe browsing, protection levels, and connection security. It's an important section that gives you control over how Chrome protects you while browsing the web. Now you'll need to scroll down through the security settings page. As you scroll, you'll pass various security options until you find the section labeled Use Secure DNS. This feature is designed to encrypt your DNS queries for added privacy, but there are legitimate reasons you might want to disable it, such as compatibility with certain network configurations or specific security software. Right beside the Use Secure DNS label, you'll notice a toggle button. This switch controls whether the feature is active or inactive. Simply click on this toggle button to turn it off. Once you click it, the toggle will switch to the off position and secure DNS will be immediately disabled in your Chrome browser. Your DNS queries will now use your default network DNS settings instead of Chrome's encrypted DNS service. And that's it. You've successfully disabled secure DNS in Google Chrome. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.